Chapter 7 reviews state and federal real estate laws. The 1866 Civil Rights Act prohibits discrimination because of race, regardless, and currently it's in full effect. The 1968 Fair Housing Act prohibits discrimination based on race, color, religion, sex, national origin, familial status, and handicap as it relates to a residential transaction, but remember this only applies to real estate professionals in the business. Jones v. Mayer confirmed the validity of the 1866 Civil Rights Law. Steering is directing a person to or from an area. Blockbusting is inducing a person to sell because of discrimination. The Florida Residential Landlord-Tenant Act allows landlords to commingle deposits with personal funds. If they do that, they're going to owe their tenant 5% interest for the use of their money, plus they have to post a surety bond with the clerk of courts in the amount of the deposit. All a surety bond is an insurance policy. The Uniform Land Sale Practice Act requires subdividers who are selling 50 lots or more to provide a buyer with a public offering statement giving a 7-day rescission to change their mind in the contract. And that's all I've got for Chapter 7's review.